Our next story was written by...
My name is Aili, Eli, Aiden. And this is our story.
And it's called Cool Kid in the Chase of the Golden Mapo Tofu.
Once upon a time, there was a capybara named Cool Kid. Me. And I lived in a horrible, evil, high-tech zoo called Here Everything Sleeps. What I want more than anything is a spicy tofu recipe called the Golden Mapo Tofu. Because I'm so sick of eating wet hay. You know what I say? No more hay!
Hello there! I'm JaBob. I'm half capybara, half zookeeper, and I can also shapeshift. Watch this. A bam! Here it comes again. Boom! Ooh, is that a spicy Mapo Tofu recipe? I want that recipe. But I also like to bully the animals. Oh, there's one right there. Wake up! Your shoes are untied.
Wait, what?
Psych!
Hey, I'm not even wearing shoes.
Exactly. Here, everything sleeps. What a silly name.
You named me.
Oh, you have something on your shirt. Ha, made you look. But since I want that tofu recipe, I'm gonna lock you up in my high-tech cage with my high-tech security cameras, so you can never get it. You won't eat anything but hay.
No more hay!
Cool Kid, up here.
Hi.
Hi, are you okay?
No, I'm very afraid.
I bet we can help.
Hey, bro.
Yeah?
I know how to get out, but you have to share the Mapo Tofu.
Oh. Well... Okay, I promise. Pinky promise.
Deploy the high-tech armor.
I'm so high-tech with my high-tech armor. And I have a shrink ray. Right back. JaBob, it's shrinking time.
No.
I'll take you, Goldie.
My recipe, no.
Tofu for me and for you too.
Yes.
Let's eat.
No, don't eat me. Stop it. Stop.
I have superpowers.
Oh, so do we.
Yeah. Would you two like to be my sidekick?
Yeah!
Get on my back.